Bid. I bid on rare books at the auction every month. I am bidding on a vintage clock right now. I have just bid on a painting online. I have been bidding against the same buyer for weeks. I bid $200 for the antique chair yesterday. I was bidding on the vase when the connection dropped. I had bid too low before the lot closed. I had been bidding all afternoon before I finally won. I will bid on the rug at the sale tomorrow. I will be bidding at the charity auction all evening. I will have bid on every lot by the end of the night. By June, I will have been bidding at this gallery for 2 years.